In the previous videos, we have seen how we can hide text behind text and how we can hide executable file behind a text file. But now we will see how we can hide a data that is a text file behind an image. So if someone open the image, he will only able to see the image and not the data behind it until and unless he will aware about it. Okay, so we are going to use two different tools for this. One is OpenStegno and other one is QuickStegno. Okay, so you can easily get these two tools over the internet, but if you don't, then I will attach both of them under the resources of this lecture. You can download it from there. Now let's open the first tool. So this is the text file. Okay, so this is the card details, card number and pin number. Okay, hey, don't copy this. Okay, now we are going to hide this data behind this image. Okay, now let's install the application. I agree, install, close. Let's open this. Let's run once again. I agree, install, close. Okay, run OpenStegno. I don't know why it opens. It didn't open at the first time, but now it's working. So attach your message file here. Okay, and the message file is your secret data which you want to hide. So OpenStegno, this one, open. Now select the cover file. So this is the image behind which we want to hide our secret data. Right, now the third is the output stego file. Okay, so leave it to default and let's type the password. Let's say 123 and confirm password 123. Select hide data. Okay, it says please provide the value for output stego file. Okay, so let's select the iline file again. Select all files. It says it accept only .png files. No worries, we will select .jpg file as well, and let's click on hide data. Now it's processing, and let's for okay, so completed. Right, now if someone open this image, he will only able to see the image and not the data behind it. Okay, so but now if you receive this image, then how will you extract the data behind it? Okay, so let's open the tool, select the extract data file. Okay, and then select your output file behind which we have hidden the data. And now it says output folder for message file. Okay, so select the folder. Let's say we will select OpenStegno. Okay, so open. Now you have to mention the exact password which we have used for hiding the data, otherwise you will not able to extract the data, right? So enter the password and click on extract data. It says file new text document already exists, overwrite yes. See, it says file already exists because I have selected the same folder for the extraction of data, but you can try the another folder. Okay, so that it will extract this file and save it under the new location which you have selected. Okay, so this way you can hide data behind image and extract the already hidden data, right? So in the next video we will see how we can use QuickStegno. Okay, In the previous lesson, we have seen how we can use OpenStago in order to hide a data behind the image. And in this practical, we will see how we can use QuickStago for the same purpose. So let's install it. Next, accept the agreement. Again next, next, and install. Click on finish. And let's open the tool. Now, let's open the image first. So let's move to QuickStago and open this image. Now open the text file. So here it is. So we are going to hide this data behind this image. Okay. Simply click on hide text. Now it says the text message is now hidden in image. Okay. Let's clear this and click on save image. Right. Save it in the same folder. Okay. Now close this. Now if someone opens the image, the new image, okay, he never knows that a secret data is hidden behind this file. Okay. But as you are an ethical hacker, you can move to this tool, open the image in order to extract data. Okay. Select the file. Okay, the first one. Okay, open the first file. See, you have got the data, right? So this way you can use QuickStago to hide data and to extract data which is hidden behind an image. In the previous videos, we have seen how we can use different tools and techniques for steganography. Now, as a security expert, how would you detect some hidden files, okay, already hidden files in a particular folder or a particular drive? So in this lesson we will see a tool called ADS-Spy, okay, ADS Spy. ADS stands for alternate data streams, right? This tool will help us to detect hidden files and also help us to delete them, right? So let's see how it works. See, this is how it looks. Okay, nothing special, just the basic options like quick scan, okay, for Windows based folder only, full scan, scan only a particular folders, etc. Now we will go with full scan. Okay, so it will going to scan all NTFS drives. To start scanning, simply click on this button which says scan the system for alternate data stream, right? See, it has detected some of the files that we have hidden previously, right? Now either you can wait for the scan to complete, but it will actually going to take a lot of time, right? Because it will going to scan each and every file and folder in your system. So for now let's abort scan. Okay, and to delete hidden files, simply check on the files which you want to delete and click on here, remove selected streams. Okay, they will be deleted permanently. Yes, right? So this is how ADS-Spy works. Now let's talk about keyloggers. So what is a keylogger? Keylogger is a computer program that record every keystroke made by a computer user. Okay, so we can use keylogger for different purposes. For example, you can install keylogger into your target system in order to monitor its activity or to steal some confidential information, right? You can also use keylogger on your own computer, because if someone else is using your computer, then you must know that what he has done in your computer. Okay, so keylogger records every keystroke. Sometimes it also takes some screenshots. So if someone is using your PC and he opens Facebook and type his username and password, then you will able to get all this information in plain text format, right? So it is a good idea to use keylogger in our own computer system. Now there are various keyloggers available over the internet, but the one which I personally use is called as all-in-one keylogger. So head up to your browser and type download all-in-one keylogger. Open the first link and simply click on download keylogger, this green button. Okay, remember this password, okay, because when you download this tool, it's in a zip format, so when you extract it, it will ask for a password. Okay, so click on this and the downloading will start. As I have already downloaded this in my PC and it's around 4 MB only. Okay, and it works on all kind of window versions like XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, etc. Now let's see how we can use all-in-one keylogger. So I extracted the folder and now let's install it. Yes, next, accept the agreement, next. Okay, see, it is not recommended to use these options like create a desktop icon or create a quick launch icon, right? Because if you do, then easily any person using your computer PC will know that you are using a keylogger, right? So click on next, again install. Now it's installing. Click on finish. Now the application will launch itself for the first time. So let's wait for it. Okay, now it asks you to choose a password. Okay, now you have to choose a strong password, right? So for now, as I am performing it for the practical purpose, I am assigning a password 1234. Okay, click on save. See, it says when keylogger is running, typing the password in any application will display all-in-one keylogger registration screen. Therefore, you should select a unique password that no one else would ever type, right? Now click on save. It says password must be at least 5 characters long. So okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Click on save. Now it says typing your password. Okay, again same thing. Click here, understood. See, it says trial expired because I have already used this software in the past. Okay, so click on understood. Now close this application. Okay, let it open. Now let's open Notepad and let's say I am typing something and by mistake I have typed my password for keylogger. See, it opens the keylogger screen. Okay, now it says I have to purchase this license. Okay, let me uninstall and download it again in order to proceed with the further practical. See guys, company provide a trial period of 7 days only. So I have installed keylogger in my Windows 10 virtual machine instead of using it on my physical machine, so that it won't ask me to purchase a license key, right? So I have installed it and I am continuing with the same password, that is 12345, and let's save it. Okay, I understood. Now let's open an application and type 12345. So Notepad, See, I am taking Notepad as an example. Okay, you can use it anywhere. You can use it in Word or any other application, right? So let's open the Notepad. Now type the password here and let's wait for the keylogger to open. So when you open it for the first time, it will ask you to choose some general settings, right? So let's see this one. It says hide program tray icon, because if you can see here, it says that the keylogger is running. Okay, so to hide this, you can select this option to make it more secure. Now there are some other settings as well, like log maintenance, okay, where to save log files and some other settings. Okay, but for now I am proceeding with the default settings. So for now let's close this box and let's perform some activities, like press enter and type something like 00000. Okay, now let's open the keylogger again to check whether it has captured our activities or not. So close this box. Now click here, open log viewer. Okay, it will open up another dialog box. Now close this, click here to view textual logs. See, it has recorded when we have started logging, then we have opened Notepad, then we have logged in for the first time. Okay, then we have clicked on these options, right? Then we have again opened Notepad and then we have opened message box of all-in-one keylogger. So it started recording all the logs. Let's move down. It says admin ideal time 4 minutes from total of 7 minutes. Okay, now let's see some of the web activities. Okay, so no web activity. Let's see some screenshots. See, it has taken the screenshot. As far as I have pressed enter, it has taken the screenshot, right? Now whenever I press enter, or I have pressed something like a new dialog box opens, it will capture that too. Okay, so this is how it works. It can also record audio, okay, and also it can record webcam logs. All right, so see, there are so many options. Okay, so it's a good idea to use keyloggers in our own system, right? Now in the next video I will show you some of the dangerous scripts which can destroy your target computer system, right? In this lesson we will see how we can extract the exact password, okay, of Windows user, right? In the previous videos we have seen how we can reset the password for users, either for standard user or for administrator user. But now we will not going to reset the password. Instead we are going to extract the exact password. Okay, we will extract the original password. Okay, so let's see how to do this. For this we are going to use 3 different tools. First one is pwdump7. Okay, so we are actually going to dumping and cracking the password hashes, right? So there is a database, SAM database in your system. Okay, it stands for security account manager, right? So SAM database is present in your Windows operating system, which contain your user account details and password descriptors, right? Security descriptors. So it will contain your password in hashes, either on LM hashes or on NT-LM hashes. Okay, then we will use a tool called WinRTGen, that is Window Rainbow Table Generator, right? So it will going to generate a table based on our specifications, and it will create a password list, right? Then we will use Rainbow Crack tool, okay, in order to extract the original password in plain text format from the hashes that we have dumped, right? So let's see how to do this. First of all, let's open command prompt and run as administrator. Yes. Now let's go to the C drive and let's move to pwdump 7. Okay, to download pwdump 7, simply go to Google and type download pwdump 7. Okay, and if you don't find it over the internet, then ask me, I will share a link with you. Now let's run the executable file. Okay, see, this is the author name. So when you go to internet to download pwdump 7, just verify whether you are visiting the original website or not, right? Now it says yes, here is the password, okay, for the one of the user on my main machine, right? So let's save these passwords in a file called hashes.txt, right? And let's assign location, which is c:\pwdump7 / and then hashes.txt. Hit enter. Done. Now let's go to our window rainbow table generator. So C drive and then WinRTGen, here it is. Okay, so let's run this application and now let's create a password table. Go to add table, select the hash form, so let's say NTLM, select the minimum length, okay, to maximum length, let's say 4. Now it's asking for the total count, okay, total chain count. So let's say 40,000 or 4 lakh is sufficient. Okay, see, the more the chain count, the more are the possibilities that we are going to get the exact password in plain text format, right? Now here you can select character set. So it says alpha, which means all alphabets in capital letters, okay, or you can go for lower alpha, where that means all alphabets are in lowercase, but we will go with numeric. Okay, as it is a demonstration, then I know my password, so I will go with numeric one. Okay, just click on OK, right, and then again click on OK. Okay, so see guys, it has started its process, but it will going to take some time. So let me pause this video till then. Finally we have generated rainbow table. Okay, now I have used a tool called window rainbow table generator, but you can also use command prompt, okay, to generate a rainbow table. Okay, so let's see how to do it. See, rtgen is the command for this. Okay, so rtgen, then define your hash type, whether it is LM or NTLM or MD5, etc. Okay, then define what kind of rainbow table you want to generate, like numeric, alphanumeric, etc. Okay, then this is the minimum number of length. Okay, and this defines the maximum number of length of the password, right? Then keep it 0, and this is the number of passwords you want to generate in total. Okay, so let's say you want to generate the total number of passwords to 90,000. Okay, so let's change it to 90,000. Okay, and then define numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then leave the last option to 0. This way you will able to generate a table with 90,000 passwords, which are the combination of these numbers, right? Now After generating a table, it is important to sort that table. So to sort a table, we will use the command rt sort. Okay, rainbow table sort, and then the name of the file. Okay, let's close this. Now let's open Rainbow Crack tool. So here it is. Let's run the application. So this is our Rainbow Crack tool, which help us to extract password from hashes into plain text. Okay, so let's see how to do this. First of all, let's say add hash. Okay, and now let's open our hash file, which is in pwdump7. So this is pwdump7. Let's open hashes file. Right now let's copy this one. Okay, let's copy this hash, because the rest of the users like administrator, guest has no password, right? But Dell user has a password. That's why I picked up this hash. Okay, now paste here, click OK. Now go to rainbow table, search for rainbow tables. So let's say I want to open this file. Okay, because it's a short file, right? If we go for this long file, which I have generated some time ago, then it will going to take around 15 to 20 minutes or more just to scan this file, right? But my aim is to show you a demo of how actually the Rainbow Crack tool works, right? So let's open this file. See, it has detected our password, and password is 123, right? Now I have not changed password for this demonstration purpose, but I am actually using this simple password from last 6 months. Okay, now let's verify whether this password works or not. So let's log out. Okay, and type 123. Okay, see, 123. Okay, so this way you can extract the exact password or the original password in plain text from hashes. So pwdump help you for dumping hashes, and then window RTGen table tool help you to generate rainbow tables, and then Rainbow Crack helps you to extract plain text passwords from that generated table, right? So I hope now you know how to use pwdump7, WinRTGen and Rainbow Crack.